Let's move slowly, slowly, slowly. Hi everyone! So we are going to learn about one of the coolest and the slowest animals in the jungle, the sloth. We are going to explore the life of the sleepy animals and find out why it moves so slowly. Sloths love being up in the tree because it keeps them safe from the predators like jaguars and eagles. The trees are also where they find their food, and sloths spend almost their whole life up in the branches, only coming down once in a while. Sloths are herbivores, which means they eat plants. Their favorite snack is leaves, but they also eat fruits, flowers, and even some twigs. Sloths are known for moving very slowly. Why? Well, moving slowly helps them stay safe because predators have a hard time spotting them in the trees. They spend their time munching on leaves and taking it easy. Did you know sloths sleep for about 15 to 20 hours a day? Wow, that's a lot of napping. They rest in the trees, often hanging upside down with their strong claws wrapped around branches. One of the fun facts about sloths, they live most of their lives upside down, whether they are sleeping, eating, or just chilling. Sloths hang from the branches with their long, curved claws. Their claws are so strong that they can stay in one spot for hours without getting tired. Sloths may be slow, but they are great at hiding. Sloths are not good fighters, so instead of trying to run or fight, they stay still and hope no one notices them. Here is another fun fact. Sloths are actually great swimmers. Even though they move slowly on land, sloths can swim surprisingly fast in the rivers. They only come down from the trees once a week, usually to go to the bathroom, and then they climb up right back up. When sloths have babies, they are tiny and super cute. Sloth moms take a great care of their babies, carrying them on their bellies as they hang in the trees. There are two types of sloth, the two-toed sloth and the three-toed sloth. Both are slow, but they have slightly different claws. And did you know that sloths have an extra neck bones that help them to turn their heads almost all the way around? That helps them keep an eye out from the predators without moving much. Thank you for learning about sloth with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.